boys, because y'all my homegirl. Y'all my dog. Y'all my friend. Y'all my peep. Hey, peeps. Oh, what's up?
You see, I'm crushing competition, I got no remorse. Won't let a demo or any nigga bump me off the course. Got loved ones crossing all their fingers that I blow up. I told my nigga Geech that it's time to go up.
Bad shake that, big pounds, big rap, blue face, big stacks, been real, you been cap. Big dreams since 6F, now top floors I sit back. Corner store, black tea, still cover of that Big Mac, yeah.
Hey weirdos and weirdettes, welcome to my channel, but welcome back if you already been here before and you're part of the crew. What it do? So for today's video, I think you guys can already tell by the title. Basically, I'm going to be telling you guys about things that I wish I knew before I started my YouTube channel, because I know y'all don't want to hear my mouth doing this because too much this is just boring. So let's get out of this and let's get to, all right, let me stop talking. The first thing that I really wish I knew, if you guys check like some of my old videos, you'll notice that I was like mad shy. Like I was mad shy. I was like, girl, what are you doing? You speaking to a camera? Who are you talking to? You crazy girl. But the thing is, the jazz is, you want to be confident when you're talking in front of a camera. Your audience can actually sense if you're like shy or pulling back a little bit, or if you're scared, or if you're not being like genuine with your personality and who you are. So you want to always make sure that just be yourself, be confident, because you're actually talking to people. You're talking to your audience. You're talking to people that are interested in listening to you. So why be afraid? Act like you're talking to one of your homegirls and your homeboys. Like, how y'all doing today? How y'all feeling? How y'all? Okay, we quarantine. Boys, because y'all my homegirl. Y'all my dog. Y'all my friend. Y'all my peep. But next thing I wish I knew. One of the things that a lot of YouTubers use to grow their channel like slowly is sub for sub. I wish I never started off my channel doing sub for sub, because in the beginning I got up to, let's say, about 40-50 subscribers because I did sub for sub, and whenever I would post a video I wouldn't get any views. And then I was like, maybe I need to do some more sub for sub. So I did it again, going up to 100 subscribers, and then again when I look at my videos, no views. So I was like, what the hell am I doing wrong? So then I just be like, you know what, I'm not even gonna worry about my subscriber count. I'm just gonna do what I love, post video, edit my content, and just post it and hopefully hope for the best. And when I started doing that, I started getting actual genuine people that watch my channel. And I realized when you do sub for sub, all you get is a person who subscribes to your channel, then unsubscribes to your channel, then probably watch 30 seconds of your video, which leads you to what exactly? There's no progress. So you don't want to be doing sub for sub, because then you'll have like 100,000 subscribers and have like 80 views. Y'all ever watch that one channel that got like 60-70,000 subscribers, and you look at their views and they got 89 views, and you're like, but how though? But how? But why? But how though? That's how. Sub for subs. Having people who subscribe to your channel who are not genuinely interested in what you're saying, what you're doing, how you look, you know, fine, or any of those things. So try to refrain from using sub for sub. Another thing that I wish I knew or did before I started my YouTube channel, I wish I had list of videos lined up. If you're gonna start your channel and you want to be real successful on this platform, not saying that I'm the most successful, because as y'all can see, your girl not there yet, but she gonna get there. She gonna get there. Create a positive mind, which leads into positive actions, right? Iterate positive words. Yeah, I wish I had more videos lined up. In the beginning, if you guys notice, I have like gaps in between my channels where I'm real inconsistent because my mind literally went, I didn't know what to post. I was just like, oh my god. And I was telling T, I was like, yo, I'm running out of ideas, I don't know what to post. And it'll take me some time to actually get some inspiration and some ambition to come up with some new content to post some quality stuff for you guys. Now I keep a journal, and I actually have a list. Let me show you guys. Full of YouTube ideas of things that I want to post. So when you first start your YouTube channel, if you're struggling to come up with the first content, how are you gonna come up with the second, third, fifth, 10th, 20th? Like, you want to be consistent. That way you already know what you're about to post. You already have, you know, a list of ideas, and you don't go like, you know, brain fart and not know what to post next. That leads into my next tip, which is scheduled videos. Listen, YouTube have this thing where you can actually schedule your video for the future, or like, you know, whether it's like 2-3 hours from now, or next week, or the next day, or the next month. They actually have a tool that you can use to schedule your videos in advance. So if you're gonna start your channel, record and edit about 3 to 5 videos and schedule them for whatever day you choose to post them consistently. So if you're gonna post every Tuesday, schedule, if you have 3 videos edit, schedule 1 video for this Tuesday, then the following Tuesday, then the Tuesday after that. And that'll help keep you consistent, which will help you succeed on YouTube. Because if you stay consistent, eventually you're gonna grow. People are gonna watch you. You're gonna get that following base. You're gonna get that crowd that grasp to you. So just try to be consistent with scheduling your videos, and try to have consistent videos by actually writing down everything that you wish to record. Okay. The next thing that I wish I knew before starting a channel, this is one of the biggest things, and that's copyrighted music. Listen, if you put a song in your video longer than 8 to 10 seconds, listen, it's no longer yours, baby. It no longer belongs to you. It belongs to whoever wrote the song. It's not yours. You don't make no money. It's gone. It's out the door. Bye. I didn't know much about copyrighted music when I first started my channel, so I did kind of like put a lot of music into some of my videos. And of course, when you use a video that's copyrighted by the artist, then whatever you make on that video goes directly to the artist. Now wait, I know a lot of y'all want some good music for your intro. Perfect example, I use in my intro what he's called, Rich Kid feature Jalen Smith, like this. Now I've been using that intro for almost a year now. I've never got it copyrighted, but for some reason last 2 weeks I uploaded 2 of my videos and I got a copyright claim on them. And I'm just like, how though? I've been using this. So what I ended up doing was, one of them I unuploaded them because I realized that as soon as I uploaded it and the video was on private, I didn't make it public yet. I unuploaded it and then re-uploaded it without the song and used a different song. Now the second thing is, YouTube now has a tool where you can actually mute that part of your video, unless it's like a background song. But if it's your intro, you can actually mute that part so that they can't claim copyright on it. And that's what I did with the other 2 videos. Since the music was only in my intro, I muted that part of my video. That way they can't get any copyright claim for that video. For those of you who don't know what copyright is basically when there's a song out and the artist puts like a claim on it saying that this is my music, if anyone uses it I should be able to like get money for it, or if anybody uses it they know that this is my song, I wrote it, I created, can't nobody claim this song because it don't belong to nobody but me. So now if there is a song with copyright claim on it, if you use it, that video no longer belongs to you. You might as well just give it to them. You might as well call that artist and be like, yo, what's up, I'm putting money in your bank account, it's yours, it's now, keep it. So be mindful of the video you use, the music you use. Make sure it doesn't have any copyright claims on it. That way you can claim all of your coins, sus. The next thing that I have for you guys, I wish I knew that thumbnails actually make a difference. My thumbnails were atrocious, y'all. Like, it was disgusting. Now if you guys see my video now, I have like way better thumbnails, way better updated thumbnails. They look better, more quality thumbnails. Your thumbnails do make a difference. I wish I knew that in the beginning and I wasn't just posting videos with me having thumbnails looking like, I would just use the thumbnails that YouTube gave me. Like, they'll be like, oh, this is your thumbnail, and I'd be like, well, I guess that's my thumbnail. Okay, next. Like, you know, instead of actually taking my time to create my own thumbnail where I can like present it a lot better. The first thing that people see are your thumbnails. If that thumbnail don't seem really attractive, or they don't like what they see, they're not gonna click on your video, and you want them to click on that video. So of course you're gonna try to put a thumbnail that grasps the audience so that they can actually want to reel your video into them. Okay, next tip, emails. Now with this one, I link my subscribers, my supporters emails with my business email. Bad idea. If you check my description box, you'll see that I also do Ask Lex series, so you guys can ask me a question and I'll feature it on my channel. But I also use that same email for business inquiries, which was a bad idea, because not every notification I get from you guys, whenever I do get like an email from like a business person, I don't see it. Like, it's not there. Like, it's poof, gone. The fact that that email has like a lot of spam in it, it makes it harder for you to be able to see if you guys have any opportunities from businesses, whether it's like you do hair, makeup, or all of that. And recently now I realized that I had a video from this company called InStylish Beauty, and they were trying to send me beauty blenders, and that email was from 2019, from last year, and I was like, wow, girl, you missing out. And then I used that same email for my Instagram, my Facebook, my Snapchat, when I using like YouTube websites, like for example like TubeBuddy or like Influencers, like things like that, I also use that email, which is a bad idea. So if you don't have business inquiries, you kind of want to separate that email and your email for like your supporters, your social medias and stuff like that. You want them to have 2 separate emails so that you're able to keep track of everything that's going on, and if you do get some business opportunities, you're able to, you know, use them, because you don't want to miss out on no money. Okay, the last thing that I want to go over, which was a really good tip for me, it was a big tip for me as well, is do not put pressure on yourselves, guys. When I first started YouTube, I was like, I have to post 3 videos a week. I need to make sure that I get the videos up so I can have more views, more numbers, more subscribers, so people can notice me. I gotta put these views up. Why, Alex? Why? The thing that I noticed is whether you post once a week, twice a week, 5 times a week, 7 times a week, 10 times a day, you can do that and it will probably help you boost up a little faster. But I noticed there are a lot of YouTubers that only post once a week, and they've always post once a week, because when you're oversaturating your channel like that, number 1, it makes you run out of ideas faster, and number 2, it also causes a lot of pressure on you, because now you have this pressure. You're like, yo, I have to upload this video every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. That's what I did to myself at first. I was like, yo, my schedule is gonna be video goes up every Monday, Wednesday, Friday by 5 o'clock. And every time I run behind, because as y'all know, I got kids. I got 2 kids, so I be running behind schedule a little bit, and I just be trying to like, wait, my video, wait, baby's crying, wait, what about this, wait, and you guys don't want to stress yourselves out, because once you start to stress yourselves out, what is your passion starts to feel more like a job, and then you don't want to do it, and then you start to become inconsistent and lack on your channels. And you don't want to do that. You want to be consistent on your channels. You want to be posting videos left and right, and actually giving your supporters, you know, what they want to see, and doing something you love. You don't want something to feel like a burden. And when you do things like that, like trying to keep a schedule that's like so much, that expects so much from you, from posting 3 times a day, it kind of puts pressure on you, and then you become in that phase where you don't want to do anything, or you don't want to post any videos. Now at that point, y'all can go and watch, I'm gonna link it right here in this card, my video about how to get the urgency and keep that ambition to want to boss up. Like, if y'all start feeling that way, if y'all feel the pressure, go. If y'all, you know, if you feel the pressure, go watch it. Go watch. You start feeling that pressure, and then you don't want to post any videos at all. You don't want to get to that point where you become uninterested in posting videos, you become uninterested in recording, and you kind of lose that passion for that thing. So make sure that your workload is enough for you, and you're actually doing as much as you can take, and you're not overdoing yourself. Because I overdid myself trying to post 3 times a week. I ran out of ideas, which then made me kind of feel like discouraged to want to post, because I didn't know what to post. And then it kind of made me go through this phase where like my channel was all over the place, which I don't mind, because I post whatever my heart desires. Okay, and it kind of made it a little bit difficult for me, and I felt stressed out. And the thing is, I love recording. Editing is okay. I'm not gonna say I love editing, because I like creating stuff and knowing where I want to put everything. But sometimes I might have a video that's like an hour long, like if I'm doing makeup or something like that, and that takes half a day to edit. But you know, once you get better, it becomes easier. So, but I enjoy doing what I do. So in order for me to keep that ambition and keep that happiness and not feel stressed out and continue to enjoy what I do, I gotta make sure that my pressure load is even, and I'm not putting too much on my plate. So you don't want to do that to yourselves either. Okay, and that's all the tips that I have for you guys today. Let me know if you guys want to see a part 2, because there's so much more that you can know to better yourself as an influencer for your channel. But I only like shorten it down to 7, because I know y'all don't want to see an hour-long video of me just talking. But if you do, let me know, because I know your girl look good and you look good too. With all that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to be notified. And don't forget to tell a friend, so they could tell a friend, so they could tell a friend, so they could tell another friend, so that friend could come back and watch. Until next time, peeps. Deuces.